Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play 1 vs 1 in Street Fighter 6. First, head to the Fighting Ground mode, which is your hub for all versus battles, both locally and online. You'll then choose your control style, either classic for traditional inputs or modern for simplified commands. Finally, pick your favorite character and a stage to set the scene for your intense showdown. It's that simple to jump into the action. Understanding Street Fighter 6 core mechanics is crucial for 1 vs 1 success. The drive system is central, so learn to use drive impact to break through defenses and drive parry to absorb attacks and counter. Don't forget your character's unique special moves and devastating super arts for big damage. Consistent practice of combos and anti-air moves will help you dominate the battlefield and keep opponents grounded. To elevate your 1 vs 1 game, focus on advanced strategies. Master footsies and spacing to dictate the pace and range of the match. Use mix-ups, like high-low attacks or throws, to confuse your opponent and break their guard. A solid defense is key. Learn to block effectively and identify opportunities to punish your opponent's unsafe moves. These techniques will give you a significant edge in competitive play. Consistent practice is vital for improvement. Dedicate time to training mode to perfect your combos, anti-airs, and specific character matchups. After matches, review your replays to understand your mistakes and learn from both wins and losses. This analytical approach will accelerate your growth as a player. Remember to check the description below for that book, *The Simple Path to Wealth*, and other great deals we've found for you. Keep practicing, stay focused, and you'll see your skills in Street Fighter 6 soar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.